Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites Chicago Bolingbrook. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This hotel features air-conditioned rooms, a heated indoor pool and complimentary buffet breakfast. It provides dry cleaning and daily housekeeping services. Harrahs Casino is a 20-minute drive away. All rooms at SpringHill Suites Chicago have deluxe bedding such as a feather pillows and thick mattresses. All rooms have cable TV and a mini fridge. Guests can enjoy a wholesome breakfast made from fresh, seasonal ingredients. The hotel also offers a ready-to-go breakfast option. SpringHill Suites Chicago Bolingbrook is 15 miles from Oakbrook Mall. Seven Bridges Ice Arena is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.